So I heard something too. I heard something about Audible. Not Audible. What is it? Amazon Kindle Unlimited. If you have a bunch of Kindle Unlimited, you might want to make sure you download those because they're going to make it on the 26th of February undownloadable. Amazon's getting all greedy. So, and I canceled everything. I kept my Kindle Unlimited, but I canceled my Audible today and some other things. I had a couple of things going. And you might want to cancel yours. I downloaded my Kindle Unlimited, but I might still get rid of it. I just wanted to make a PSA on that.
Astrology, a look inside. Presenting astrology and tarot readings for all.